Traders, it is Thursday, the 20th of July, and we are going to look back at yesterday's trades, today's trades, and the important news for today. We've got lots to get through. Let's get started. So, first of all, yesterday's trades, guys. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we were looking to buy this pair. All right. Why were we looking to buy it? Because we were in a downtrend. And then soon as we got a break of these highs here, it became an uptrend. Okay. And we were looking to take price back up to this blue line. Okay. It didn't quite get there, guys, as you can see. And instead, we had this super bearish daily candle. So I'm no longer interested in buying this pair because of that candle. All right. So, but yesterday we were trying to buy this pair. If we now drop down to the H1, yeah, we had an entry, guys. All right. So price on the H1 came up, almost come up and hit target. All right. But then kind of came down and then broke back up again. All right. So structurally, it was a little bit messy, but at this point, we was in an uptrend on the H1. Yeah, and then I got this candle. Okay, so I actually entered on this candle, entered here and was looking to take price back up to here, and if not here. Okay, so that was the idea, just to take price back up to these targets up here. I put my stop below here. And as you can see, guys, I actually got stopped out with this trade. You know, and in hindsight, we don't have hindsight in trading, but you want to learn from your trades, guys. Yeah, the good trades, you know, you don't learn much. Yeah, they just go hit target. You're like, I'm a brilliant trader. Pat yourself on the back, and you're like, I'm amazing. But bad trades is where you find out about yourself and what you could have done differently. So looking at this trade, I got stopped out. Okay, so what could we have done differently? So, you know, potentially if I enter here and put my stop here, you know, should your stop have been below here? You know, because this is really the last swing low on the H1. So yeah, I could have put my stop there and I'd still be in this trade, but the stop didn't make sense. If this is my stop, then this is my risk. Yeah, and then this is my reward. All right. So from a risk to reward point of view, this wouldn't have made sense. So I couldn't have done that really. Okay. And then secondly, guys, and this is more of a thing, I even mentioned it in the live stream, you know, look at these H4 candles. Yeah. So I got in roughly here. Yeah. I was aware of this H4 candle, but do you want to buy this H4 candle? And the answer should be no. Yeah. But, you know, I was seeing an uptrend. I was seeing higher lows. It came up. You know, we had value and I was trying to take price higher. All right. But, yeah, you know, don't buy candles like this. So that was Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. What was the next one? The next one was this. So both of these next trades just got away from us before we could even, you know, wipe the sleep from our eyes. So day chart, guys, euro, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, the day chart is always my why. Why am I going to buy it? Why am I going to sell it? Why am I going to stay out? Yeah, they're your three options. So this bang. Yeah, as soon as we broke these highs here, we was in a uptrend. Okay. And we had this bullish candle. All right, very bullish. Yeah. So the idea was just to come back up to these highs here, even this gray zone. I mean, it made it up to here. And as you can see, guys, it worked out nicely. The direction was good. But the problem with this one was the lower time frame, guys. We just couldn't get in on it, really. You know, by the time we had got up, and started looking at this pair, we was around here, so we needed a retrace before we took price back up to here again. So the risk to reward made sense. Yeah, bit of a theme here. Risk to reward has to make sense with your trade. All right, and that didn't happen. We didn't get a retrace. Instead, it just came flying up, hit target, and then it started coming down. All right, so yeah, couldn't really get in on this one, guys. The same with New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc from yesterday. Again, if we start with the day chart, why were we trying to short this? Well, let me explain. Yeah, so lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Yeah, somebody was talking to me about structure, and this is structure. You want to pinpoint the last highs, lows, and this will determine the structure, the trend of the market. So this was in a downtrend, and we had this super bearish daily candle, very similar to Euro New Zealand dollar because they are inversely correlated. So we were trying to short this, but again, guys, if you look at the H1, it was coming down, yeah. But by the time we were looking to trade this pair, it was around here, and as you know by now, guys, yeah, I need retrace. I need a retrace. Yeah, I don't, not, it could be here, it could be here, but I need a retrace. And then we take price lower. Okay, because if I start selling here, yeah, there's no value. If I start selling here, there's value. All right. But again, no retrace. It came shooting down, and then overnight it shot back up. So yeah, we'll see about this trade today, but yesterday, no setup. What was the next one? There were so many trades from yesterday. The next one, guys, was oil. Yeah, and the crude oil inventories came out for this one and affected this. Right, so the day chart. Yeah, what were we looking to do? So price had reacted at this zone. We was clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, we've broken all these last highs, even this resistance. Yeah, came back down to a nice area of value. Okay, and then we got a bullish reaction. Okay, so let's zoom in. Yeah, so price came down to our area of support. We got a real nice bullish candle, and the idea was to take it back up to this blue line. All right, and then if not further. And that would have happened, guys. Yeah, it was well on its way to doing that, but then crude oil inventories came out and they were worse than expected. And then this is why we've ended up with this candle yesterday. Okay, so I'm a little reluctant to buy oil today because of that candle. If we drop down to the H1, again, there was a good setup, yeah, here. Okay, once we got this break, this H1 candle here, yeah, broke these highs. Yeah, that is a continuation of pattern. We even got a nice retrace, yeah, back towards the moving average 20. Yeah, so this would have been good value, and we could have entered on here. All right. And if you're in this trade at this point, all right, and news is coming out, all right. So let's say you entered here, yeah, and you're here, and news is just about to come out. So you've got a couple of options, guys. I would close maybe 80% of the trade because we're so close to our target anyway. So I would close 80%. You could close 70%, 50%, whatever you like. I would close 80%, because news is coming out, and then just move my stop to break even. Yeah. Because you've still got some money on the trade. So if news makes it shoot up further, nice. Yeah, you've still got money, you've still got skin in the game. And if it comes crashing down like it did, then you've already secured some profit. All right. So that's a technique I use when news is coming out and I'm in a trade. But yeah, oil, yeah, was doing exactly what we wanted. News come out. All right, so that was oil. And then finally, guys, the last trade, we've been looking at this all week. You're probably, Tom, stop mentioning US dollar, Japanese yen. You're boring me now. But it is a good trade. All right, a good swing trade. So there's this level through here on the weekly chart. I've been showing you this all week. You know this level. Yeah, why is it a level? Because price has reacted many times at this level. All right, and it's reacting now. If we go to the day chart, again, we've just had nice bullish candles. Look at all these candles. Buyers are entering the market. All right, so we were just looking to buy this pair potentially all the way back up to these highs. If we look at the H4 now, I didn't get in on this trade because I wanted this to happen, what is happening right now. Yeah, I wanted a break, which we got. Wonderful. Tick. Yeah, and then we want to retrace. And then in this gray zone, I'm going to buy this pair today. Yeah, it will be a trade idea for today, which I'll share in a minute. And I'm just looking to buy it. I'll take profit here and then let some profit run. But yesterday, guys, if we drop down to the H1, yeah, like I say, we got the break, but I need a retrace into this gray zone. Yeah, because this gray zone represents value again. Yeah, you can trade the breakout, guys, if you start buying here. But the problem is you really need to put your stop down here. So that's why I wait for a retrace. Yeah, and then if I do enter here, if I get a setup, then my stop is only from here to here rather than from here to here. All right, so yeah, US dollar yen, maybe you're in it already, guys. Let us know if you are. Let us know how you trade any of the trades. You can leave it in the free Discord or below the video. But yeah, I'll be looking to trade this pretty soon. So those were the trade ideas from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us, yeah? Subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Smash the notification button. And if everyone right now could also please smash the like button. It really helps support the vid and the channel. Gracias. So trade ideas for Thursday, the 20th of July. Before I get started, guys, let me just mention a few things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. You've got traders in there sharing trade ideas, knowledge. We've got useful links. We've got some books. We've got indicators. We've got loads of cool things, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but as part of that, you get access to me throughout the trading day. So you can ask me questions if you're not sure about anything or a trade. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. You also have two other expert traders sharing their ideas. Okay, you get access to exclusive content every week, and we even have a performance coach in there to help you with your trading. So again, if you're interested in the VIP Discord, the link is in the video description. Next, guys, we have a mentorship program, Itchy Nose. If you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Again, the email is in the video description. Next, guys, we have Simply Forex YouTube membership. So if you would like to become a Simply Forex member, yeah, there's some cool perks to doing so, then you can. Yeah, it's only a small amount per month, like under $2 or something. So yeah, you can also become a Simply Forex member. Come join us. And then finally, guys, don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST. Get your questions ready and fire them at me. All right, guys, so that's everything we do. Everything that I just mentioned is in the video description. Right, so trades for Thursday, the 20th of July. So I'm going to show you a couple of trades. These are against trend trades. These are not my trade ideas. I'll get to my trade ideas in a minute. But one such trade is this, guys. Look, I mean, look at this pound Swiss franc. It's clearly in a downtrend, but it's at a, actually, let me zoom out so you can see this level. Yeah, but look at that level. This is such an important level for this pair. Yeah, price has reacted many times here and again. Okay, so obviously this is in a downtrend. Yeah, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that is in a downtrend, but I really like this level. Okay, so if we get a build up of H1 structure, I may take a trade, but it is against trend. Okay, another, I'm just showing you a few things I'm looking at, guys. These are not my trade ideas. Euro pound, which is, you know, inversely correlated with pound Swiss franc, pretty much the same trade. I also like this level with euro pound, okay, because we've got this, you know, previous action through here, guys. All right, so I like this level for shorts. Again, if we get a breakdown in H1 structure like this, yeah, I may be interested in this trade as well. And there's one more like that, Canadian dollar Swiss franc. I know some of you guys have been looking at this on the Discord channel. And again, guys, yeah, this is at a really nice level. Okay, so, you know, if we get a break, probably where my alarm is, you can see my alarm. If we get a break, it will be a lower time frame breaking structure. I may take price up to here. All right, so I just wanted to show you them, guys. Those are all against trend, but the trends that I have shown you are very oversold. Yeah, look at that. If it's going to have a retrace, this pair, it's going to be now. Yeah. All right, so yeah, those are some against trend trades that I'm looking at. But my first trade idea for today with trend is pound Canadian dollar. All right, guys, so this is, you know, a real nice entry in here. So if we follow structure, you know, we bang. Yeah, bang is a technical term for very fast moving market. Okay, so this is clearly in an uptrend, guys. Yeah, and it's retraced into a really nice level. Yeah, not only do we have horizontal support, it's also caught up with the moving average 20. Really like this level. All right. So, you know, and, you know, admittedly, this is not the most bullish candle in the world, but look at that wick. That wick has told me that it's rejected that price. So look at wicks, look at candlesticks. They give you lots of information. All right. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at, guys. If we drop down to the lower, and sorry, guys, the target is this. Yeah, this 1,800, just before the 1,800 psychological level. Okay. If we drop down to the H1 now, it's a tricky. There's not much to go against here. All right. So what will I be looking for? Pretty much the first bullish hourly candle. That's pretty much what I'm going to look for. Price could come back down to this gray zone. If it does, great, because it offers excellent value. Yeah. And then if we get a bullish reaction here, we can take price back up to here. Okay, but price may not do that. It might just retrace, maybe even like there's a little level here. We might just get a bullish candle, big green candle that looks something like this. I will also enter off that, perhaps, you know, depending on the value and the, yeah, well, no, I would. What I really want, guys, is value. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say without becoming a mumbling mess. Yeah, I want value. Value is represented here. Okay, back at these lows. And then we get a bullish reaction, we can trade it. But, you know, if we get a bit of a retrace and then a bullish candle, yeah, this still represents value. Okay, because we're so oversold. Yeah, there's value here. so we can take price back up to here. So basically the first bullish candle back up to our psychological level. Apologies for how long it took me to explain that one. And the only other trade idea for today, let me show you. Before I show you guys, if I could just ask everyone right now to smash that like button. Just takes 1 second and really helps the video and the channel. So everyone smash that like button. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. Yeah, free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, Simply Forex membership, and the live streams. All right, all the information for all of those things are in the video description. So yeah, pound Canadian dollar, first bullish H1 candle, and then my next trade idea is the old faithful. Okay, US dollar Japanese yen. So on the day chart, we finally got that break. Yeah, so prices come down. Yeah, we're getting a bullish reaction at our grey zone, that weekly level that I've shown you in the recap. And now we've had a break. Look at this bullish candle that's broken out of this level. You'll be able to see this more clearly on the H4. So yeah, we were just waiting for a break of this level through here. Yeah, it finally broke it. We've got a nice retrace representing value. And all I'm looking for, guys, in here somewhere is a bullish reaction. Okay, and then I will take price back up to here, take some money off the trade and leave some money to run. All right, and I'm just waiting for a bullish reaction. So that could be a H1 bullish candle, or even a H4, or both. So yeah, US dollar Japanese yen, we're looking at that as well. So pound Canadian dollar long, US dollar Japanese yen long. Guys, they're my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 20th of July, guys. So overnight, we've had two pieces of Aussie dollar, employment data. Employment change, this should be 3 stars really. Employment change and the unemployment rate. And that has really given some strength to the Aussie dollar. All right. So yeah, better than expected, both of them. But the first piece of news we're interested in, guys, if we scroll down, you will see at 1:30 London GMT, yeah, we've got initial jobless claims coming out of the US. And at the same time, we've got Philly Fed manufacturing. All right. So we will look at these as part of the live stream today and the reaction from this news. So this is going to move any US dollar pair. If we carry on down, guys, at 3 o'clock, we've got one more piece of news, existing home sales coming out of the US. And again, this could move any US dollar pair. All right, guys, so that's the news. Don't forget to join me for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST. We will look at the reaction of this news. Have a great trading day, guys, and I will see you later.